is Mongraal, one of the greatest Fortnite players in the world, and I have to completely transform his dual PC setup with 5 monitors and streaming equipment. Will he love his setup? Let's find out. I'm with my boy Mongraal here.
What's goody, bro?
Talk to me about your old setup.
The old setup was cooked, man. I had wires everywhere. One of my monitors didn't even work, bro. So my setup was cooked. I got some stains on the desk.
Yeah, oh yeah. See, I wasn't even gonna say anything about the stains, but I noticed some stains over here.
Yeah, some coffee stains. We're gonna do it nice, bro. We're gonna get 5 monitors, because I just love having all my different shit in different places.
You actually had a standing desk, but it never used to work.
No, it does work, but I just never be using it. Yeah. So now it's a bit, When we was carrying the desk up, we fucked up a bit. So I don't know if it's still gonna work now, but when it's plugged in, it should be working.
Sweet. Don't worry, I'm gonna try and sort that all out. So you've got a standing desk, 5 monitors, dual PC setup as well.
Yeah.
Leave it with me, I'm gonna sort it out. I'm gonna make this a nice place so Mongraal can relax, vibe out, 5 screens there, dual PC setup. Hey, it's gonna be amazing, all right? So leave me to it, bro, I'm gonna sort this out. First things first, we need to get the monitors on this desk. Now, before I even do that actually, the desk is a little bit wobbly. All right, so it's a bit wobbly. If I'm gonna put 5 monitors on here, I need to make sure it's nice and stable. Fix this as well, because right now this isn't in place, so that needs a fix. Maybe give it a little bit of a nice clean as well, because of course we have some nice stains here. Let's start getting to it. I saw that Mongraal's desk now, so it's nice and sturdy, a lot more sturdy than how it was before. Here is our monitor mount. So we've got 5 monitor mounts, and this is the long pole. Hey, yo. Pause, that we're gonna be using to hold up all 5 monitors. Now, this is pretty good. It's very sturdy, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how this is gonna look. I wanna make sure it's bang in the middle of Kyle's desk. So he's got 180 centimeters. 180 centimeters divided by 2 is 90. See that quick maths there? Some of you lot, I know you're still struggling trying to work it out. So this is the monitor mount. This is just a base template of how it's gonna look, and I'm pretty impressed with it. I'm gonna start off by putting Kyle's very nice monitor, 500 hertz. And then I'm gonna start building the monitors around it. They are 360 hertz monitors. All links will be in the description. This is probably gonna be the most amount of cable management I've ever done before. I've got this attachment here, which I'm gonna be screwing into the monitor. And that's the monitor now. Or not. Right, let's go. Put the monitor on top and secure in place. The first monitor is in place. Right, the monitors are looking very nice. Like, look at this. This is amazing. I've never done 5 monitors before, but this looks really nice. And this is gonna be a lot of cables that I have to cable manage behind here. What I'm gonna do is I've got these cable management trays, and these cable management trays are gonna live behind the desk, okay? So literally underneath. What I'm actually gonna do is create a nice bed for this electricity. This is actually a 20-way electricity port. It's gonna be tucked away out of sight. I would recommend getting these cable management trays because you can literally cable manage so much easier. In Mongraal's setup, I've decided to use braided cables. Like, look at this, a braided XLR cable. Right, look at this, man. Look how many cables I got. All this display cables, man. Yeah, I don't know why I'm holding it like it's money, but right, so Mongraal, what do you think so far, man?
It's looking fucking crazy, bro. The monitors are aligned nice. Bro, I never had like this clean of a space on my setup, man. It's gonna be so nice. You don't know what mouse sponges do.
What is that?
This guy does setups and he don't know what a mouse sponge is.
Look, hey, wait, let me see. What is this doing on a desk? Like, what is that? What do you do with this?
Bro.
Okay, show me how to use this.
So you clip it in like this, so then it's just cleaner, you know what I mean? Instead of it just dragging on the desk.
Oh, see, this is what the pros use, man. I see you got 2 keyboards, right?
Yeah.
Why do you use this one as your main one and then this small one is your stream one?
This is the Apex Pro TKO, I think. This is just what like every pro uses. It's just the best keyboard, to be honest. And then this, I got sent by SteelSeries.
Jeez.
This is 161 of 250. So this is kind of like exclusive, kind of far. I just use that as my second one. It's quite small. It fits perfect.
Wait, hold on. You got gold on your keyboard? No,
yeah, real gold, bro. Real gold.
But hey, wait, I don't think you lot saw that. Wait, he's got gold on his keyboard. Nah, that's crazy. 5 screens so far. You got your camera there as well.
Yeah.
It's coming together. Obviously, don't look underneath the table. Yeah, don't look under the table because the cable management is very messy. All right, but it's work in progress. By the time I'm done, there's gonna be no cables there.
Yeah, it's right? Hot.
I need to cable manage all of these wires so that you cannot see these when you first look at the setup. Let me get into this because we have a lot of work to do. Cable management is coming along very, very well. The streaming PC is done, that's looking good. I booted that up and tested it. That's working, which is amazing. The gaming PC is all that's left, and you can see here, that's a display port which I've left there. I need to go get some sleep because I'm extremely tired. Right, this is Mongraal's headset of choice. It's the DT990 Pro. Very, very good headset. Looks extremely comfortable as well. But the only thing is, this wire is literally tangled. Like, it is, this is like years of cranking 90s, playing Fortnite, just, yeah, a lot. With this headset, I might be one of the best. You guys didn't even know, by the way, I'm doing this setup for Mongraal, and in exchange, he's gonna become my new Fortnite Pro coach. Let me know if you wanna see me in the next FNCS, let me know. Right, so that's the cable management all done in Mongraal's setup. Everything looks, oh my gosh, I'm so happy with the result. Hopefully Mongraal likes it. How we looking, man, how we looking?
It's looking so good, bro. I'm loving it. This came together well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bro, five monitors right now. I mean, it's not done at the moment. The reason why I called you in here is actually because I want you to remove these lovely films. So these are the plastic films.
Alright, let's get these off, bro.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Yeah, Tony Stark.
Bro, it looks mad. You wanna sit down?
Yeah.
No, you're not sitting down. No,
you crazy.
Not
Let's
this done. Bro!
Yeah. Tough, bro.
Exactly what you wanted?
Yep.
Final tweaks of the setup. All right, so I'm gonna kick Mongraal out of his gaming room. I'm gonna finish it off, so yeah. Sorry, bro, you gotta go, man.
Sweet, in a bit,
Yeah.
G.
Cable management is complete. It's like a Batman's cave. Hey, no pun intended. Yeah, I think that's Batman. Everything has all been hooked up. All of the sound has been sorted. OBS settings are done. Go XLR settings. Everything has been done. Hopefully he likes his new setup. Let me know in the comments. Did I cook? We're gonna go get Mongraal and reveal his brand new setup to him.
Alright, we're here. We're at the end, my boy.
Come on, bro.
Let's go, man.
What are we saying? How you find? What do you think,
Bro, this guy. There's no one better than him in the South game, bro. Genuinely, this is the best fucking setup I've ever seen. No cables anywhere, bro. The desk goes up and down. Easy. Can stand while playing if I want to or chill. Bro, the monitor setup, fucking 5 monitors, man. So clean.
Come on, what is this? Is this what you expected?
Bro, this is better, bro. This is like perfect.
What?
Literally, this is perfect. Got the Go XLR, double PC setup, double audio. Only one monitor on the gaming, so we have less latency. Bro, this is hard.
Jeez, come on. But yeah, look, bro, there's a few things I haven't actually shown you or you haven't even seen yet in this setup. So of course, if you just take a seat real quick, I noticed when Mongraal was playing, I noticed, you know, sometimes you don't really mute efficiently. So now I've got you some nice new pedals down there.
Oh my days, we got the foot pedals on deck, bro.
If you want, you can just mute your stream, deafen if you want.
Yeah, that's hard, bro.
Just so the viewers understand, why do you use 2 PCs and not 1?
Yeah, so one PC is for gaming, because if you stream off the same PC that you game with, you just get extra lag, like low FPS. So we got a double PC setup, all the 4 monitors on the second PC, the streaming PC, Go XLR connecting all the audio. But I mean, like, can it get better than this? Like, this is like perfect, bro.
I don't think it can, bro. Like, bro, you got 4 monitors, bro. No, 5 monitors in total.
Yep.
When you said this to me, you wanted 5. I was kind of like, I've never done a 5 monitor setup ever. But not only that, I was kind of also thinking, why?
Yeah.
Why do you need 5 monitors?
Alright, listen, bro. I'm finna have.
Walk us through.
Finna have Discord here. I'm gonna have my OBS and my chat here, Spotify up here, and then my browser here if I need to do anything like check Twitter.com or put my drop map when I'm playing comp, anything like that. So like, it's literally the perfect amount, bro. This is tough.
And then the most important one.
Yeah, we got the gaming one, 540 hertz. This
Hold on.
540, bro.
Say that again, because I don't think I heard that.
540.
540 hertz.
Yep.
And bear in mind, all the ones around are all 300 hertz as well.
I want to say quick though, we managed to angle the monitors, which is huge, because they were all straight, which was fine, but it was just a bit hard to see. But now, the field of view is perfect.
Are you happy with the setup?
Yeah, bro, I'm 10-10.
So you're saying you're going to be streaming consistently?
Yeah, bro. Streams
YouTube
are going to be
videos?
different, bro.
Yeah.
They're going to feel like a breeze.
Sheesh. I know, that's amazing, bro. Now, I'm so happy. I'm glad you enjoyed the setup. Also, one last thing as well. I've put some charging ports here as well. Hey, don't forget to stand in there. So hold on, let's actually stand. Let's see. How is that, bro? So if you press that button,
stand mode.
Literally. See, the thing is, you had the desk before, but it never stood up.
Nah, the wires would disconnect, like, but now we got the standing desk if I want to stretch my back a bit. You know?
Yeah, pause. Hey, yo. Thank you so much for, you know what I'm saying, believing in me. How many likes are we going for on this video?
Bro, let's go for, I'm saying 50K, bro.
50K!
Let's do a big one.
50,000!
It deserves it for this setup, bro. This sounds hard.
Make sure you guys smash the like button.
Get it.
And don't forget to subscribe. You heard the man himself, right? 50K.
Sub up, let's go.
Let's go.